Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we finally reached the final part. This is part 22 of how to build a bedroom. You will see me now installing the wood panels around the floor which I installed. In the meanwhile, I also built a computer table in the room, but that will be a different video and come online later. You will see me also installing a wardrobe. As you can see behind me, my brother already moved into the room, and I now have to make the wooden frame around the floor to make it look good to the wall, and you're here to join me. Enjoy! So I start here in the corner, and the length is 2.9 here, and we go together upstairs to cut it. Next we have to make some holes to actually screw it to the wall. Let's see if it fits. Yep, perfectly. Now we just have to fix it. So, first one fixed. Now I'll go cut the remaining ones. So in the wall come these small pegs, and then in the pegs the screws. The pegs will wide open and hold in the wall. So the wood finishing is done all around the room. There are already the parts for the next job here, and that's going to be a shelf here to hang clothes. So let's start then. So first we use the laser to be sure that it's straight. Then I mark all the holes. Fisher Duo Power 6x50. So I get deep enough into the wall. So let's give you a close up how it looks. So this is how the pack goes in. We place it here. And then tighten them. First one is in, let me fix the others. And now we have these holding arms. So that you also see it. So they're up here. And then the wood goes on top here for the first resting place here. At the down here, this height, we'll make another shelf. Still have to cut it here. And yes, it worked out the way I wanted it. Fine. So next thing to do is install pipe here for to hang clothes. And therefore I will use plumber pipes, and I will show you now. This is the plumber equipment we bought. We have 3 blinds. We have 3 short pipes. We have a T-bar or T-connector and 2 angle connector. Now the idea is that this will be in the center, one here, the other pump pipe to the end, and then at the end like this, and this one's fixed up. Now in order to achieve that, I have to first of all grind this flat here and cut a thread in here so that I can screw it from under on the wood. Then these 2 pipes are too long, because altogether it has to be about 240 millimeters or 240 centimeters. So that means I have to cut these 2 pipes shorter, and that I have to check now how much. That means we have to cut 260 off on each side, on each pipe. And after that, we have to cut a new shape on it. I'll go and cut them fast, see you in a minute. Therefore, we have this set of thread cutters. Then this is the 1/2 inch. So we put this in here, and then by turning this, you can choose which direction you cut. So then you put in the handle. And then we go to the vise. Pipe comes here. I put a little bit paper in, so that we don't scratch it too much. And now let's try. So I seen people use it like this, but then you don't have any guidance. That's what this one is for. You can put it on the pipe and it guides it. So now I just have to click in with the machine like this. All I have to do is press against here and then turn. Let's see if I can put the camera in a way that you can actually see inside. So, and maybe we can on the flash to it. Then if I turn further, you can see how the teeth are cutting in here. And there you see how it cuts off the metal. A little bit oil in it. Let's try again. Yeah, it works. Here you can see the thread is already broken. So for plumbing that would be bad. For our application there's no issue with it because it will easily carry clothes. So let me assemble everything together. I'll see you there. So what I almost forgot, we still have to So this is an M6 drill. As you see, it goes quite well. Done. Now I can use a threaded stud to assemble it later. First, we have to mark the holes. Part is measuring and the rest is filling. This is how it looks from down now. So you can hang your coats, jackets or whatever here. And then down here we will later put in some drawers if necessary, or we leave it just like this. My brother said he will still get a full wardrobe here, connected to the wood here, standing on the floor, flush with this. And here the same, a wardrobe will come here, just next to the computer table. And maybe we were discussing that we put small diagonal shelves here, that he can put smaller things here. I don't know. Whatever he wishes, whatever his wife wants. So far, my job is done. I am happy that I was able to share this journey with you. From the first day where there was still a staircase and I had to remove the staircase, made the upstairs, made a double ceiling here to reduce the noise, put in these lights, put in here lights, reconnect the whole wiring that he has his own meter at the end. Yeah, I hope he's happy with it. If he wants to do any changes, he can just let me know. I'm around. I actually live here upstairs, so he should just give me a shout out. Otherwise, I have to say I'm quite happy with it, and yeah, I hope you liked the journey we took. Hope you liked how it all turned out. I will still take some pictures now, and then at the end make one short video, not specifically a YouTube short, just a shorter video, let's say like 5 minutes, where I just attach pictures from the very first day till now, or maybe short clips, just to have a complete overview, and that will then finalize the project of how to make a bedroom out of a staircase. Thank you for joining in. It was a blast, and I'm looking forward to the next project. Take care of you guys. Bye bye.